Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Accord mirror. First, ensure you have the correct replacement mirror glass for your specific Honda Accord model. You will also need a plastic trim removal tool or a flathead screwdriver wrapped in tape to protect your vehicle's finish. This easy method focuses on replacing just the mirror glass, saving you time and effort. Let's get started with preparing your workspace and gathering your materials. Before we begin, let's confirm your tools and safety measures. You'll need your new Honda Accord mirror glass, a plastic trim removal tool, and optionally, a clean cloth. Safety glasses are highly recommended to protect your eyes from any small fragments or dust. Make sure your car is off and the parking brake is engaged. Working in a well-lit area will make it much easier to see the small clips holding the mirror in place. Now, let's remove the damaged mirror glass. Gently insert your plastic trim removal tool behind the edge of the mirror glass, starting from the top or bottom. Apply steady, even pressure to pry the mirror away from its backing plate. You'll feel the clips release. If your mirror has heating elements or turn signal indicators, carefully disconnect the 2 or 3 electrical wires attached to the back of the old mirror glass. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install your new one. First, reattach any electrical wires to the corresponding terminals on the back of the new mirror glass. Ensure they are securely connected. Then, align the new mirror with the backing plate and apply firm, even pressure to the center until you hear it snap into place. Finally, turn on your car and test the mirror's power adjustments and heating function to confirm everything works correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.